Welcome to Indy Hurst. Indy Hurst is a food facility that was founded in 1938. The main products are dry packaged beans and sugar. Indy Hurst has strict food safety requirements that must be followed by all visitors, contractors, and employees at all times. These are called Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMPs. Failure to follow these GMPs may result in your removal from the plant. What are GMPs? GMPs are federal regulations that apply to all facilities that manufacture, process, pack, or hold FDA-regulated food. GMPs are the procedures and practices that provide the basic environmental operating conditions for the processing of safe food under sanitary conditions. GMPs include conditions and practices for personnel, plant and grounds, sanitary operations, sanitary facilities and controls, equipment and utensils, process and controls, and warehouse and distribution. Indy Hurst prohibits the use of cell phones, cameras, and video recording devices without permission. GMPs prohibit the following items: no jewelry except a plain wedding band with no stones, no items stored above the waist, including items behind your ears, no hats of any kind, including skull caps, bandanas, and scarves, no spitting, no pens with caps, no staples, paper clips, thumbtacks, or push pens are allowed. Visitors and contractors are to practice good personal hygiene and maintain a high degree of personal cleanliness. Visitors and contractors are encouraged to avoid the use of perfumes, colognes, or other scented personal products like lotions or body sprays. Visitors and contractors showing evidence of communicable disease in a transmissionable stage or while infected with boils, sores, or infected wounds or other abnormal sources of microbiological contaminants must not enter any area in which there is a chance of product contamination. All Band-Aids must be Indy Hurst company issued and metal detectable. All Band-Aids must be covered with gloves or other waterproof dressing while working on the production line. Medical patches must be worn on the trunk of the body unless otherwise prescribed by a doctor. Medical alert tags can be worn as authorized by a physician, worn underneath clothing. All visitors and contractors must wear closed-toed, heel shoes when entering the production and warehouse areas. Shoes must be kept clean, neat, and in good repair. Fingernails must be kept clean and properly trimmed. Nails must not extend past fingertips. Fingernail polish and false fingernails are strictly prohibited. Visitors and contractors are to wear clean, washable outer garments in good repair. Pants must be worn, no shorts, tank tops, beads, buttons, glitter, or other loose objects that may come off and enter the product stream. If any loose objects are worn, visitors and contractors must put on Indy Hurst provided lab coats to enter production and or warehousing areas. Hairnets are required by all employees, visitors, and contractors. Company-supplied hair restraints must be worn in manufacturing and storage areas to prevent hair from falling into product. This includes beards and mustaches. Hair curlers, hair combs, and bobby pins are not allowed. Ponytail holders are allowed under hairnets to contain long hair. Hair restraints should be put on prior to washing hands. Hearing protection is optional. Hearing protection must be company supplied and it must be secured either with earmuffs or attached by a string worn around the neck to prevent product contamination. Earplugs should be put in ears prior to washing hands. Everyone must wash their hands before leaving restroom facilities, before entering the production warehouse area, after smoking or eating, after coughing, sneezing, or blowing the nose while covering the face or mouth with their hands, after touching your eyes, ears, mouth, nose, or hair, after inserting hearing protection, after handling inedible or contaminated product such as touching the floor, and after handling air hoses. The hand washing stations are located in the common area by the entrance to the production and warehouse. Everyone must follow established traffic patterns to minimize contamination between waste areas, raw products, and finished products. Littering and other poor housekeeping practices are not allowed. This is a closed campus, which means that no lab coats, hair nets, or beard nets are allowed outside the building. Conversations with the media are strictly prohibited in relation to Indy Hurst company business. Visitors and contractors are not to use Indy Hurst property unless given permission by management.